Now again, this exercise, this is exercise 7.3, your question number 4. This is integration of sine cube 2x plus 1 dx here. One method I am showing to you. One method. Let me write like this: sine square 2x plus 1 sine 2x plus 1 dx. You can write this like this. Now this sine square, this you can write like this also: 1 minus cos square plus 1 sine 2x plus 1 dx. Now distributive law, that is sine 2x plus 1 dx minus cos square 2x plus 1 sine 2x plus 1 dx. Now this you know the integration of sine 2x. So this comes out to be minus cos 2x plus 1 by 2, and here you can go for substitution. That is, if you take, let me do this part here, that is integration of cos square 2x plus 1 and sine 2x plus 1 dx. So here, if you suppose cos 2x plus 1 is equal to t. Now when you differentiate it, this is 2x, when you differentiate it, you are going to get minus 2 sine 2x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So sine 2x plus 1 dx is equal to minus dt by 2. You are going to get this. So now here what I am going to do is that this becomes minus 1 by 2. This is t square dt. So this comes minus 1 by 2, that is t3 by 3. So this is minus 1 by 6. T is cos cube 2x plus 1. So this is your integration. This is your result. Now minus plus. So this become 1 by 6 cos cube 2x plus 1 plus c. So this is your answer. Let me check the answer. 7.3. 7.3 question number, this is 4, question of minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 6 cos cube 2x plus 1. This is your answer. Now I want to tell one thing to you, that this is not necessary that you proceed in this way. You can also proceed in another way also. This is not necessary. That means you can take, let me show you one thing for you, that you never be confused or you never think that the answer is wrong. Suppose the same question, that is question number 4, here integration was sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. So here you can use an identity, that is sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. You can use this identity. So here 4 sine cube theta will be equal to 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. So sine cube theta will become 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta divided by 4. So you can use this identity also because it has given using trigonometric identities. So here if you place the value of this, it will become 1 by 4 3 sine 2x plus 1 minus sine 3 2x plus 1 this is dx. So here it will be 3 by 4 integration of sine 2x plus 1 dx minus 1 by 4 integration sine 6x plus 3 dx. So here your integration comes out to be 3 by 4, that means minus cos 2x plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, again this is minus cos 6x plus 3 by 6 plus c. So this comes out to be minus 3 by 8 cos 2x plus 1 minus plus 1 by cos 6x plus 3 divided by 24 plus c. So you find that this answer does not resemble with the answer which I had done earlier. This answer does not resemble with the answer of the book, yet this is not incorrect, this is correct, because it is up to you which type of identity, which method you are going to do, it is up to you. So it is not necessary that the book and answer given in the book is the only answer. This I want to clarify to you. Now I am going to question number 5. Question number 5, integration of sine cube x cos cube x dx. Now I am going to solve it. What I am going to do here, that is, let sine x is equal to t, so cos x dx is equal to dt. So here you see sine cube x cos square x cos x dx. The question can be written like this. So cos x dx is dt. So again sine cube x cos 1 minus sine square x and cos x dx. So here now I am going to put the values. So this is t cube 1 minus t square and this is dt. So this will become t cube by t minus t to the power of 5 dt. So t to the power of 4 by 4 minus t to the power of 6 by 6 plus c. Now I am going to put the values of this. What sine x, that is sine 4x by 4 minus sine 6x by 6 plus c. So let me see the answer. 7.3 7.3 question number 5. 7.3 question number 5. My answer does not resemble with the answer of the book, but this is correct. So now see how I am going to find out the answer of this book. This is correct. It is 100% correct. Now I am going to solve in another way to find the answer which is given in your book. So here what I have to do, that is only a simple adjustment. Instead of sine x, I am going to take cos x. Instead of sine x, I will take cos x. That is, let cos x is equal to t. So when you differentiate it, minus sine x dx is equal to dt. So sine x dx is equal to minus dt. Now I am going to arrange it here. That is sine square x cos cube x sine x dx. So here again sine square x 1 minus cos square x cos cube x sine x dx. Now here you see sine x dx is minus dt, therefore minus 1 minus t square t to the power of t to the power of 3, this is dt. So using distributive law, that is t dt minus t to the power of 5 dt, which comes out to be, this comes out to be minus t square by 2 minus t6 by 4 plus c. So this will be t to the power of, 6, t to the power of 6 minus t square by 2, 6 plus c. Now putting the value, cos by 6 minus cos square x by 2 square x by 2 plus c. Now let me see the answer. Let me 7.3 question number 5. One thing, this is 3 cube, cos cube, that means cos 3 dt 5, so this is 4 by 4, a little mistake, 4 by 4, so this is be cos 4 by 4. Let me rub it and write it again here. So this will be t4 by 4 plus c, so cos 4 by 4 plus c. This is your answer. So here you see that this answer resembles with your book answer. So this is correct. It is not necessary that your earlier is wrong. This is the earlier one is also correct, and it is up to the person who, how he attempts to solve the problem. If earlier I had taken sin x, since I had taken sin x, so my answer came out to be, that is earlier, which is, that means the same question. If I want to tell you that if this is your answer, but if you take the same question, this is the same question, and this is the same question, and if you had taken that let sin x is equal to t, then cos x dx is equal to dt. So here again you see that sin cube x cos square x cos x dx. So here sin cube x 1 minus sin square x and cos x dx. So here you see this becomes t cube 1 minus t square and dt. So this becomes t cube dt minus t5 dt, t5 dt. So this becomes t4 by 4 minus t6 by 6 plus c. Now if we place the value, it comes out to be sin 4x by 4 minus sin 6x by 6 plus c. So here I suppose sin x, I got in the answer in terms of sin x. Earlier I supposed in cos x, so I got in the term of cos x. So both the answer are correct. And at first I did it in the same question number 3. I have done 3 times. First time I selected sin x. In all this, the answer is if you select sin x, you will get this answer. If you select cos x, you will get the answer in cos x. And there is one more method. If you select in that way, you will get a different answer. Suppose you can consider this like this also. Instead of this, you can go through this way also. That is 1 by 8 2 sin x cos x the whole cube dx. So 1 by 8, this becomes sin 2x the whole cube dx. So this becomes 1 by 8 sin cube 2x dx. So here if you want to solve this, the problem like this, you have to take the help of sin 3 theta formula. Sin 3 theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So if you solve this in this way, the answer will be different. So it is up to the student how he proceed. According to his procedure, the answers will be different. But this does not mean that the answers are wrong. All are correct. Now, as per serial, I must do question number 6. But 6 it is you can do yourself. I am going to question number 7. That is question number 7. That is sine 4x sine 8x integration dx. So here you see that I am going to take the use of the formula, that is 2 sine A sine B. Now this formula you can create yourself. How you see this? Cos A minus B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Here you say you are going to get cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and here cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So when minus enters, your cos A minus sin A sin B becomes plus sin A sin B. So ultimately you are going to get this answer. So I am going to use this formula. So here again 1 by 2, 2. So 1 by 2, this is integration. It will be cos 4x minus 8x, 4x minus 8x dx minus, cos 4x plus 8x dx, 8x dx. This is 4x plus 8x dx. This. So here this will be 1 by 2. This will be integration cos minus 4x. You know that cos minus theta is cos theta. So this will be cos 4x dx minus, this is cos 12x. So cos 12x dx. So here 1 by 2, this will be sine 4x by 4 minus sine 12x by 12 plus c. So this is your answer. So now 7, I am going to exercise 7.3, 7.3, question number 7. Here answer is correct. Here you can see. So this is your question number 7. Now I am going to question number 8. Question number 8. Here I am going to solve this question number 8. See, integration 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. So here what I am going to do is that here cos 2 theta, it is formula is, there are two formulas, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So here there is 2 theta, so this is theta. If it is cos theta, then it is 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. And again, so this comes out to be 1 plus cos theta by 2 is equal to cos square, or you can say 1 plus this is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Similarly, there is one more formula, that is cos 2 theta, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So here again cos theta will be equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. So here this 2 sine square theta by 2, this can be written as 1 minus cos theta. So now you see I am going to apply these two formulas, that is 1 minus cos theta, that is 2 sine square theta by 2. So this will be 2 sine square x by 2, and 1 plus cos theta, this will be 2 cos square x by 2. So this 2 to cancel out. So this becomes 10 square x by 2 dx. So we know that there is no integration of we do not have integration of 10 square x, so I am going to convert it into sec square x. So this becomes sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. So this will be sec square x by 2 dx minus dx. So here you see sec square x by 2, that means its integration result is 10x by 2. Constant is x by 2, which constant in integration you know that it gets divided. So your answer this comes out to be 10x by 2, because differentiation of 10x is sec square x, so integration of sec square x is 10x and minus x plus c. So this is your answer. So let me check the answer of question number 8, 7.3. 7.3, question number 8. Here you see 7.3, question 2, 10x by 2 minus x plus c. This is your answer. Now question number 9. I am going to question number 9. Here you see question number 9. Question number 9. It is question number 9, that is integration of cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Cos x dx. This is we have to do the integration cos x, integration cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Now how to solve it? So here again we know that cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Cos square x by 2. Again we know that cos x that is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. We know this formula. So what I am going to do here, that is instead of cos x I am going to write cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. This. So 1 by 2 constant comes out. So this means 1 by 2 cos square x, we are going to divide LCM into two parts, that is first will be cos square x by 2 by cos square x by 2. This will comes out to be 1 and sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2. This will comes out to be 10 square x by 2. 10 square x by 2, this is dx. This. So here you can see 1 by 2, this is dx minus 10 square x by 2 dx. So again there is a problem, that is we can't integrate 10 square x by 2. So I am going to shift it to sec square x by 2. So this becomes 1 by 2 integration dx minus this becomes sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. This. So here again 1 by 2, this will be x minus this is 6 square x by 2 minus minus plus dx. This will be. So here again this will be how much? So your result comes out like this, 1 by 2. So x minus 10 x by 2 by 1 by 2, that is 2, and plus x. So this is plus c. So this is 1 by 2, this is 2x minus 2 10 x by 2 plus c. So here 2 cancels out. Your answer comes out x minus 10 x by 2 plus c. So this is your answer. Let me check the answer. 7.3. 7.3. Question number 9 is x minus 10x by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Question number 9. Now Answer is correct. 7.3. Answer is no. Now I'm going to question number 10. Question number 10. In question number 10, here again, how I am going to integrate it. So here you see that is sine square x the whole square dx. Now for sine square x I am going to take the help of this formula. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So your 2 sine square x will be equal to 1 minus cos 2x. So your sine square x will be equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. I am going to place this value here. So here it will be 1 minus cos 2x by 2 the whole square dx. So this is 1 by 4, it comes outside. So this will be a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, this is dx. So here this will be equal to 1 by 4 dx minus 2 cos 2x dx plus again cos square 2x dx. So here these two can be integrated easily, but for this again I am going to take the help of cos 2x 2 theta formula, that is cos 2 into 2x 2 cos square 2x minus 1. So this will be 1 plus cos 4x by 2 is equal to cos square 2x. So I am going to place the value of cos square 2x here. So 1 by 4, that is integration of dx minus 2 cos 2x dx plus, now instead of cos square 2x I am going to write 1 plus cos 4x by 2 dx. So here again 1 by 4, this is here dx minus 2 cos 2x dx, and this is 1 by 2 curly bracket dx plus cos 4x dx, curly bracket, close this. Now you can easily do the integration here. So this comes out to be like this. Your answer comes out to be 1 by 4 dx, integration of dx, this is x, minus 2 integration of cos, that is sine 2x by 2, and now plus 1 by 2 curly bracket, integration of dx is your x plus integration of cos 4x, that is sine 4x by 4, curly bracket, close this. Now 1 by 4 x minus, this is sine 2x plus this is x by 2 plus sine 4x by 8. Now here you can leave plus c, the integration constant. You can leave the answer here itself. So let us check what is the answer given here. Question number 7.3, question number 10. Exercise 7.3, question number 10. So here your answer is, here I am going to do. So this 1 by 4, light simplification, x plus 3x by 2 minus sine 2x minus sine 4x by 8 plus c. So here you see the answer comes out, it is correct. 3x by 8 minus sine 2x by 4 minus sine 4x by 32 plus c. This is your answer. This is your answer. So this is how integrations are done. Now cos your question number 11, this is cos to the power of 4, same method. This is the same method. You have to solve it the same method. Let me show you. Same method we have to apply. That is question number 11, that is integration of cos 4 2x dx. Again, you see here what I am going to do. Cos square 2x the whole square dx. Now what is the formula of cos square 2x? Here you see cos 2 into 2x is equal to 2 cos square 2x minus 1. So 1 plus cos 4x by 2, this is equal to cos square 2x. So same thing, integration 1 plus cos 4x by 2 the whole square dx. So this will comes out to be 1 by 4 a plus a square plus 2ab plus b square your dx. So here again 1 by 4, this is integration dx plus 2 cos 4x dx. Again this same formula I am going to apply, that is again here this is cos 2 into 4x, this will be 2 cos square 4x minus 1. So cos 8x plus 1 by 2 is equal to cos square 4x. So here I am going to place the value of integration of, that is 1 plus cos 8x by 2 dx, the value of this here. So now it is you can calculate all this. So this will be 1 by 4 integration dx plus 2 cos 4x dx plus dx by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 8x dx, bracket close. So now you can see 1 by 4 x plus 2 sine 4x by 4 plus x by 2 plus 1 by 2 sine 8x by 2 plus c. So here again that is equal to 1 by 4 3x by 2 plus sine 4x by 4 plus sine, oh sorry, this is 8, sine 8x by 16, then plus c. You move, open the bracket, here it becomes 3x by 8 plus sine 4x by 16 plus sine 8x by 4 6 are 24, 64 plus c. This is your answer. So let me check the answer here. So question number 11, your question number 11, 7.3, question number 11, it is correct. So this is 4x, oh here 2 and this 2 cancels out 2, so this will be 2, so this will be how much? 8. So this is your answer and it is correct. Now again exercise 7.3, question number, this is 12. Integration of sine square x by 1 plus cos x dx. So here, see how I am going to solve it. Integration of sine square x means 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos x dx. So a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So this is 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. So here this cancels out. So 1 minus cos x dx. So this is equal to dx minus cos x dx. So this is equal to x minus sin x plus c. So this is very easy. This is a very easy question, and so this is question number 12. Now I am going to question number 13. Question number 13. Question number 13, that is integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos alpha minus cos alpha dx. So here, how to solve this question? So here I am going to use a trigonometric formula. This is the formula you have read in class 11. That is the trigonometric formula you have read in class 11. And I am going to use this formula, that is cos A. The formula is cos A minus cos D formula. So here cos A minus cos D, it is minus 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2. So here I am going to use this formula cos C minus cos D. This is equal to minus 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2. I am going to use this formula. I am going to use this formula. So here cos C minus cos D, this will be equal to integration, that is minus 2 sine 2x plus 2 alpha by 2 into sine 2x minus 2 alpha by 2, and below also I am going to use the same formula, that is 2 minus 2 sine, this is x, not alpha, x. This is x, that is sine x plus alpha by 2 and into sine x minus alpha by 2 dx. So on further simplification, this 2 minus cancels out. So this will be sine, sorry, this is x, this is x. This will be x plus alpha into sine x minus alpha, and here this will be sine x plus alpha by 2 into sine x minus alpha by 2 dx. This is your result after applying the formula. Now what can we do further? So here there is a chance. So here what I am going to do, that is I am going to apply the formula sine 2 theta, that is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. That means sine theta is equal to 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So I am going to apply this formula here. So what happens now is that this becomes, for this it is 2 sine x plus alpha by 2 into cos x plus alpha by 2. This is theta, and for this also 2 sine, this is x minus alpha by 2 into cos x minus alpha by 2, and in the denominator it is sine x plus alpha by 2 into sine x minus alpha by 2. So here this and this cancels out dx, and this and this cancels out. So answer comes out to be 4 cos x plus alpha by 2 into cos x minus alpha by 2 dx. So here again I am going to use one more identity, that is the 2 cos A cos B formula. 2 cos A cos B formula. So this will be equal to cos A plus B, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. The formula will be cos A plus B minus cos A minus B, because cos A plus cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and minus cos A cos B, oh sorry, plus. So cos A cos B plus sin A sin B cancel out. So I am going to use this formula. So this becomes equal to 2. So this will be cos A plus B, so x plus alpha by 2 plus x minus alpha by 2, and plus cos A minus B, x plus alpha by 2 minus x minus alpha by 2. I am going to apply this formula dx. So here you see alpha cancels out, 2x by 2, that is only cos x remains here. So this is 2 integration of here only cos x remains, cos x dx, plus here you can see that is minus x cancel out, 2 alpha by 2 only cos alpha remains here, and integration dx. This now it is easy for you, this is treated as a constant, so this will be equal to 2 sin x, and this will be treated as a constant cos alpha x cos alpha plus c. So this is your answer. So let me check the answer, that is question number 13, 7.3, 7.3 question number 13. This is 2, yes, here 2 also, so you can take this as bracket common. So this is 2, question number 13, 2 sin x plus x cos alpha plus c. So question number 13 is over. Now I am going to question number 14. Question number 14. Now I am going to question number 14. So here you see question number 14. So here, question number 14, it is integration of cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx. This. So how to solve it? Here you see sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x, and 1 means cos square x plus sin square x. So this can be written as cos x plus sin x the whole square. It is solved. So here you can see cos x minus sin x. Instead of 1 you can write cos square x plus sin square x, and this is sin 2x, it is 2 sin x cos x, so dx. So here it will become out to be cos x minus sin x, this is cos x plus sin x the whole square dx. Now if you suppose this cos x plus sin x is equal to t, let us suppose let cos x plus sin x is equal to t. When you differentiate it, cos x is minus sin x plus cos x, this is dx is equal to dt. So here you see your denominator is the same. So this becomes what? Dt by t square. Now integration is easy for you. This becomes t to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to t to the power of minus 1 plus c. So this is minus 1 by t plus c. So the value of t, that is equal to minus 1 by cos x plus sin x plus c. So this is your answer. You can check it here. Question number 14, 7.3. You can check it here. 7.3. Question number 14. Answer is the same. Now I am going to question number 15. So here question number 15, you can see this question number 15. Question number 15. So question number 15 is like this. That is integration of tan cube 2x into sec 2x dx. So here there is no problem, because if you suppose 10x, now if you suppose sec x, then sec x tan x, it is solved. So here you can see, you can write this like this: tan squared 2x into tan x tan 2x into sec 2x dx. If you suppose sec x, so your differentiation will be sec x tan x. So this part gets removed, only tan square 2x, and tan square it can be converted into sec square x. So you, instead of tan square x, you can write sec square 2x minus 1 and tan 2x sec 2x dx. So here you take, let us suppose that here we are going to suppose, that is sec 2x is equal to t. Now when you differentiate it, you are going to get, that is 2 sec 2x tan 2x dx is equal to dt, because we are going to apply chain rule. So first of all, when you are applying chain rule, that is you are going to get when you apply differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x, and when you differentiate 2x, you get the constant 2. So here this is sec 2x tan 2x dx, that is equal to dt by 2. So here this comes out to be dt by 2, and you can write like this: t square minus 1, that is dt by 2. So 1 by 2 common, t square dt minus dt. So this is equal to 1 by 2, this is t3 by 3 minus t plus c. So this is equal to 1 by 2. What is the value of t? Value of sec. So this is sec cube 2x by 3 minus sec 2x plus c. This is your answer. So let me check the answer. Question number 15. Let me check the answer. This comes out to be question number 7.3. 7.3. Question number 15. That is, it is correct. It is correct. Now I am going to question number 16. So here question number 16, how to solve this question number 16. Say question number 16, how to solve it. Question number 16. So question number 16, this is integration. Question number 16. This is integration of 10 to the power of 4x dx. So how to solve it? So first of all, a basic idea, that is tan square x the whole square dx. Now 10 square x, let me convert it into tan square x, let it convert me to sec square x. So this will become sec square x minus 1 the whole square dx. So now a plus b the whole square, this will be sec 4x minus 2 sec square x minus plus 1 dx. So here Integration of sec square x I have got, that is integration of sec square x, it will be 10x. So because differential, but here the problem is with sec 4x. So how to solve this sec 4x? So sec 4x against sec square the whole square, that means 1 plus, again the question repeats here. So to solve this tan 4x, what shall we do? To solve it, it will be better cos square into cos, that means sec square. So 10x, if we take 10x, sin 4x by cos 4x, again there will be a problem, because if you take sec 4x, let us take another way, that is, and this is creating a problem. If you take tan square x the whole square, so now question number 16, that is integration of tan 4x dx. So here tan square x into tan square x dx. So one of the tan square x, that is tan square x sec square x minus 1 dx. So this will be tan square x sec square x dx minus tan square x dx. So here if you suppose tan x, you are going to get sec square x dx, and for this I will again convert it into sec square x minus 1. So this will be tan square x sec square x dx minus, this will be minus sec square x minus 1 dx. So now here square, so here for again tan square x sec square x dx minus sec square x dx plus dx. So here if you suppose for this let me do this separately, tan square x sec square x dx, let tan x is equal to t, so this will be sec square x dx is equal to dt. So this will be t square dt, so by 3 plus c this, and so this will be equal to t value, that is tan cube x by 3. So integration of this is, this will be tan cube x by 3, integration of sec square x, this will be tan x and plus x plus c. So this is your answer. Let me check it. 7.3, question number 16. 7.3, question number 16. 7.7.2, 7.3, question number 16. The answer is okay. Now I am going to question number 17. So question number 17, here you see question number 17. So here 17, integration of sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x into cos square x dx. So to solve this, I can do one thing, that is sin cube x by sin square x this, and again let us do like this. So see here, what I am going to do is this, sin cube x by sin square x cos square x. So here only sin x remains, and okay, dx plus cos cube x, that is sin square x cos square x dx. So here this will be sin x. So sin x by cos square x dx plus this will be cos x by sin square x dx. So this comes out to be sin x by cos x, that is 10x. So sec x 10x dx, and this comes out to be cosec x cot x dx. So integration of sec x 10x, it is sec x, and integration this is minus cosec x plus c. So this is your answer. So let me check the answer. 7.3, question number 17. 7.3, question number 17. It is okay. Now I am going to question number 18. So here question number 18, you see here this question number. How to solve this question number 18? See question number 18. This is integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x dx. So how to solve it? So here you see cos 2x, formula of cos 2x is cos square x plus minus sin square x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. So this comes out to be cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x dx. So this comes out to be 1 by cos square x dx. So this is equal to sec square x dx. So this is equal to 10x plus 10x equal to 10x plus c. This is a simple question and answer is this. Now I am moving to question number 19. See question number 19. Here question number 19 it is. Question number 19. This is integration of dx by, that is sin x cos cube x. So how to solve it? So here, because the terms are in denominator, anyhow I have to bring it to the numerator. So if I divide this by cos x, so this becomes 10x and this becomes cos 4x. That means sec 4x by 10x, and this is possible. So what I am going to do, the main objective is, while you are solving this integration problem, try to bring the denominators to the numerator. When you bring the denominators to the numerator, it becomes easy to solve the questions. So here what I am going to do is that is sin x by cos x into cos 4x. So here this will be equal to dx, this is equal to sec 4x by 10x. So again this will be equal to sec square x into sec square x dx, and this is 10x. So this will be equal to 1 plus 10 square x sec square x dx by 10x. See, always try, when the question is in denominator, always try to bring in the numerator. When you bring in the numerator, it becomes easy for you to solve it. So now here it is, the question is solved. You take 10x is equal to t, everything is solved. Here you see, if you take let 10x is equal to t, so this will be equal to sec square x dx, this is equal to dt. So here you can write like this, 1 plus t square, and this is dt by t. Now it has become more easy to solve you. So this becomes dt by t plus t dt. So this is equal to log t plus t square by 2 plus c. So this is equal to log t, that is 10x plus 10 square x by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Let me check whether let's check the answer. This is question number 19. 7.3, question number 19. It is correct. It is correct. Now I am going to question number 20. So here question number 20, you see how to solve this question number 20. So question number 20, to solve this question number 20, integration of cos 2x by cos x plus sin x the whole square dx. How to solve it? So here you see, this is easy, because cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x, and this is cos x plus sin x the whole square dx, a square minus b square. So this comes out to be cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x the whole square dx. So this is cancels out. So here cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Here you see, if you suppose the denominator, that is differentiation of cos x is minus sin x and cos x minus x sin x, you are going to get the numerator. So directly you can write the answer, that will be equal to log, this is cos x plus sin x plus c. You remember this, that is, if you differentiate the denominator, you get the numerator. That means your answer is log of the denominator. Let me check the answer. Question number 20, 7.3, question number 20. Let me check the answer. So your answer 7.3, question number 20. This is the answer. It is correct. Now I am going to question number 21. Question number 21, here you see question number 21. Question number 21, that is integration of sine inverse cos x dx. So how to solve this question? Sine inverse cos x. So here sine inverse cos x. So how to solve it? Because there is an inverse function. So here you know that in inverse, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So sine inverse x, that is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. This is inverse function, formula for inverse function. So here I am going to apply this formula. So this becomes pi by 2 minus cos inverse cos x dx. So here cos inverse cos x, this is x. So this will be equal to pi by 2 minus x dx. So here now everything is, it is clear. This is pi by 2 x and this is x square by 2 plus c. So this is your answer, question number 21. Let me see the answer. 7.3, 7.3, question number 21. It is correct. And now your last question, that is question number 22. Your last question, I am going to solve it for you. That is question number 22. 22. This is integration dx by cos x minus a into cos x minus b. How to solve it? So here you see that I have to do some manipulation. So what is the manipulation I am going to do here? See, first of all, what is the manipulation? That is, let me write here, 1 by sine b minus a integration sine b minus a dx by cos x minus a into cos x minus b. So here if I write here cos x minus a now, so a b minus a, let it be a minus b, so this will be a minus b. So I am going to do one thing here, that is 1 by sine a minus b integration sine x plus a and minus here both are minus sign. So if I take x minus a, x minus b minus x minus a, I can write like this, a minus b, because x minus b, so it will be better if you take this as b minus a. Instead of a minus b, it will be better if you take 1 by sine b minus a integration sine b minus a dx by cos x minus a cos x minus b. So here I am going to do some manipulations, that is b minus a, that is sine, you can write here x minus a minus x minus b, so by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. So here you see that x minus x cancels out, plus b minus a. So here now I can apply the formula, that is sine b minus a. Here I can apply the formula, that is sine a minus b, sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. I can apply this formula, divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b, this is dx. Now here, separating this in two parts, that is sine b minus a, separating this in two parts, that is sine x minus a cos x minus b by cos x minus a cos x minus b dx minus integration cos x minus a sine x minus b by cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. So here, now here you see these two cancels out, this becomes 10x minus a. So 1 by sine b minus a, this is 10 x minus a dx, and this is your cos cancels out, this cos cancels out, so this becomes integration 10 x minus b dx. So this cos x minus b cancels out. Here cos x minus a cancels out. So here this will be equal to sine b minus a, the integration of 10x, it is log sec x minus a, and integration of 10x again log sec x minus b, so plus c. This is your answer. Let me see the answer of 22, 7.3, 7 question. So here what they have done here, that is, I can arrange this in the form which is given in your book. I can arrange this, which this is this answer, in the form which is given in your book. So your result is this here. So this is 1 by sine b minus a. So this is log m minus n, that is equal to, one thing I can do here I am taking minus common here, so this will be equal to 1 by minus sine a minus b, this log sec x minus a minus log sec x minus b plus c. So here I can do one thing. So this will be equal to log sec x minus a minus log sec x minus b. So minus enters here, 1 by sine a minus b. So this will be equal to log sec x minus b, this will be plus, and log sec x minus a. So here m by n, so this becomes 1 by sine a minus b, sine a minus b, this is, into, and this will be equal to log sec x minus b by sec x minus a. Now if you instead of sec x, if you write 1 by cos a, so your answer will be 1 by sine a minus b, that is equal to log, that will be cos x minus a, 1 by cos x minus b, this plus c plus c plus c plus c. I have shown you as the given in the answer, but it is not necessary. You can keep the answer here also. So this is your answer. So this exercise is completed. Your exercise 7.3, it is completed.